Multilingual SEO Services Introduction. www equals World Wide Web. Is your website really reaching worldwide? Think again. In the early days of the Internet, almost everything on the web was in English, because most of the Internet applications back in the late 90s started in the United States. Consequently, when the first search engine came out in early 80s to mid-90s, they were strictly in English. Anyone overseas wishing to conduct the search have to do in English. There was no other option. As the Internet technology caught around the world, web became multilingual platform. In fact, the foreign web has been the fastest growing segment of the Internet every single year since 1996. Think about this way: in 1996, 75% of the web was in English. Today, English only counts for 25%. The precaution has been reversed. Search engines and directories understood the importance of the language growth early and started more feature multilingual platforms. Today, foreign language native have better to conduct the search in their mother tongue. As an example, a Japanese user will access the Japanese Yahoo or the Japanese AltaVista and will search by using the Japanese keyword, by typing Japanese characters in the search field. A German native have the better incentive to use Google Day in German rather than Google.com in English. Over the last few years, we are providing a solution, allowing you to test the potential of your online business to foreign markets without having to translate your website. International search engine submission is not about doing business with foreigners in their native language, but rather bringing foreigners to your website to do business with you in English. It's not necessary to translate your website in order to submit the foreign search engines. However, you need to have at least one page in French optimized with French keyword and meta tags in order to submit French search engine, or one page in Spanish optimized with Spanish keyword and meta tags in order to submit Spanish search engines, and so on. Let's assume if you are trying to reach the Japanese market, we will create an entry page in Japanese for you website, which will be optimized with Japanese keyword and meta tags. The look and feel will be similar to your home page. We will use your graphics and a translated text that introduces the foreign users to view your company's product or services. This page will tell the Japanese users that what your website is offering. This communication will be culturally correct and search engine friendly. At the bottom of the page, we tell the Japanese user in Japanese language he or she can view all the content in English. Japanese user will click on the link and it will be redirected to your home page in English. When foreign users find the multilingual pages which we have created, we know that about 10% to 15% of them will not click through the site just because it's in English. However, these visitors are not true potential customers. In fact, if someone is not going to communicate with you in English, this person is not really a prospect for your business. Our methodology allows us to separate the curious from serious potential customers. We note over the 99% of all foreigners search the web in own language first. We also know from experience that 85% to 90% of foreign users will click through from the entry page to your English home page. Once again, it's very important. Doing business with foreigners is not about doing business in their language, but rather encouraging them to do business with you in English. Let's go back to our example. When the Japanese person using a Japanese search engine types your keywords in Japanese, they will find your Japanese entry page which we have created, optimized, and submitted to the Japanese search engines. They will read the website and click to the redirection to your main homepage in English. By the way, same applies for every language. Whether we will promote your website to Chinese search engines or French search engines, it does not matter, the method remains the same. So what are you waiting for? Call us at +910 9811896003, +910 9953283359, or mail us at punet@vcsd@diaseo.com. For more info, visit us at www.vcsd@diaseo.com. Watch your business grow. Thank you.